My name is Kim, and today at my marketing firm, I'm going to show you how we use the due date functions. My boss has tagged me in a message requesting a rush project for a large client. She included lots of information for me within this email. Let's get this task rolling. A very easy way to transfer all the information to the task card is to select Convert to New Task from this post. Okay, here I just create. Within the task card, you can see all that context has been transferred over and listed under the attachments, so everyone will be able to understand what's going on with the task without me having to restate all that information and without my team having to read through a long email exchange. It's so quick and easy. We know this is the highest priority because it's a rush job and it's a very important client. So this will really bring it to the team's attention and will have them drop everything to complete it. Next, I'm setting the due date. I know they want these samples by next Friday, so I'm setting the due date for next Thursday to make sure we're ready for this meeting. Here I'm creating a few checklist items. I love that I'm able to break my tasks into smaller steps without having to create additional task cards for each thing. Since the first checklist item is more robust than the others, and it will require some individual collaboration, I'm going to convert it into its own separate task. When I move to the new task, you can see that the metadata has transferred over as well, which is super handy and keeps these tasks together. It will also automatically make the initial task a related task so they stay together. This allows my whole team to have transparency on who's working on which things and removing any potential data silos. I'm going to set due dates for each of these tasks so that my team is clear on their timeline and expectations. Here I'm tagging the task, which will notify the assignee and all collaborators. I love how the due date feature is really handy and makes managing my tasks super easy by setting clear expectations for my team. We can't wait to hear how the due dates feature adds value to your daily routine.